I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and system readiness, plug in a mic, set it as default, and make sure Windows is updated. Once done, sign in with an administrator account so you can change system settings. Now open Start, choose Settings, then Time and Language, and select Speech. This gets you to the speech page where you control recognition features. Make sure your microphone appears under Input. If it doesn't, troubleshoot the physical connection before continuing. Once on the speech page, enable online speech recognition to use cloud models for better accuracy. This improves punctuation and commands. Next, confirm the speech language matches your dialect, then click Microphone Setup and follow the wizard to calibrate volume and position. After that, open the Classic Speech Recognition Control Panel from the Related Settings link and run the Train Your Computer to Better Understand You option. This trains the voice model, so recognition adapts to your pronunciation and reduces errors over time. To begin using speech recognition, launch speech recognition in Control Panel or use Windows +H for quick dictation in apps. Make sure speech services and typing suggestions are enabled for smarter corrections and punctuation. Test by dictating a sentence aloud, speaking clearly and at a natural pace. If recognition struggles, rerun the microphone setup to fix level issues, then retrain the voice model. These 2 steps solve most problems. If problems persist, check privacy settings to allow apps access to the microphone and restart Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.